ए वायरस 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 आ गया देखो. Good afternoon, guys. Thanks for joining. Welcome. Friday, and it is completely sideways, not giving us an entry anytime here. So we are only waiting now. Hey, good afternoon, Piyush. Welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am still holding put, but तो पूरा sideways दिख रहा मुझे. This is going sideways, guys. It did not sustain. I planned to take a call about this, but it did not sustain. So I avoided taking call here. So in case if it breaks, okay, don't a कर लेंगे भाई. Let's do this. I think it is going to give us a good trade now. A check कर लेंगे. Let's see. Okay. With a small stop loss of 26 points, this is going to be our first target. ठीक है? इसका नीचे. Look at that. Okay, निफ्टी में मिलने का चांसेस तो है भाई. Look at this. अभी ब्रेकआउट दे रहा. After such a long time. After such a long time. Such a long time. So at least it has to close there properly. Come on. At least 3 minute wala. Okay. So this is about 45 points of target, 26 points of SL. Right. Here 90 points of target and 56 points of SL. Okay. So I can reduce the stop loss to this now. 1 or 2 candles में मिल रहा भाई मुझे. टारगेट तो मिला. चलो अभी ट्रेल करता हूँ मैं. First target, first trade, live trade done. चलो हो गया. After waiting for how much time? I waited for such a long time, man. Long time wait किया मैं. I waited for more than 1 hour, 1.5 hour wait किया मैं. 1.5 hour. चलो डन. ये तो डन है भाई. डन डन. बुक कर लो. चाहिए तो बुक कर लो. If someone is taking. Okay. इसमें you can start trailing, guys. Trail your profits. Trail your profits here. First target done. Okay. First target done. Hmm. Whoever is holding, please trail it. Trail your profits, guys. Trail your profits. Look at one candle में पूरा खा लिया. And I'm still fine holding put. Put I am still holding with an SL. My SL is here. So I am still holding put. Still holding put with an SL. ठीक है. Still holding put here. Bank Nifty में pressure तो है. So probably Bank Nifty can give us the target. But those who are holding, please trail your profits. Trail your profits in Bank Nifty. Okay. Trail your profits in Bank Nifty, please. ये होगा right. Yes. Right. Wow, it's come. Nifty is completely reversal. ये तो नीचे जा रहा and Nifty is going up. कोई बात नहीं. 37,600 put we are holding. 37,600 put we are holding. Hey, hi SP. Hi. They are holding 37,600 put. It's already giving you some points. How many points? 60 points दिया. Right. So I would start trailing shortly. मैं तो ट्रेलिंग करने के लिए सोचेंगे. Because Friday क्या होता कि it is going to be most of the times it is going to be sideways on Fridays. Consolidation day it is. Okay. And let's look at Jubilant Food, man. Looks like we might see some Jubilant Food. We might see some call here. because it is taking a very good support here. It is taking a good support. Look at this. It is taking a very good support here. हो सकता है कि this can take a reversal most of the times. Okay. Exactly from the support. Oh, this can take a support probably. So Jubilant Food, you can try on the call side, guys, for a positional trade. For a positional trade, you can try Jubilant Food on the call side. Okay. Took 1300 PE SBI leasing for SBI Life, right? SBI Life क्या हो रहा? 15 minutes में. Yep. It is within this zone. Within this zone. So 1300 होगा आपका stop loss. This is going to be your stop loss, 1300. So once this 1300 touches, I think we can exit. Until then, we can still hold. Okay. Right. This is done. I am trailing now. Trail कर रहा हूँ मैं. I am trailing, guys, now. I am trailing now. I am trailing my profits now. Superb. Almost target done, guys. Almost target done. Just waiting for few more points. Done. चलो बुक कर लो भाई. बुक कर लो. Almost 86 points of target done. 86 points of target done. Okay. Had a question. The candle formation in SBI qualifies for rejection. It is not a rejection. It is not a rejection. I'm not talking about rejection there. I'm only talking about symmetrical pattern there. So that is where it is going to be. Symmetrical pattern within that zone, the trade is formed. So either ways, that is where I gave you an SL. So if it breaks on the upper side, we might see some bullish trend. On the downside, if it breaks, then we will see some bearishness. Okay. So pharma sector, Dr. Reddy's, how is it doing? It's taking a support nicely. I think it will give us a reversal, I guess, guys. Dr. Reddy's, keep in your watch list. Keep it in your watch list. थोड़ा रिजेक्शन देगा शायद. Okay. Probably what you guys can do is on the call side, okay, if it actually breaks that zone, go with a smaller stop loss, very short stop loss, okay, and keep this as the first target, okay, 29 points, and then go with this as the final target, okay, right? Chalo, almost target done here and trying to shoot up, man. Superb, superb. That's so nice. Nice, 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 nice. Nifty showing strength. Nifty में दम है. How about UPL positional short at UPL, 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 UPL. Uh, positional के लिए no, don't try this. I would say no. No short, no buy in UPL. Avoid UPL for now. कुछ भी मत लेना. Don't take anything in UPL. Please do like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, guys. Still waiting for one more trade के लिए हम wait करेंगे भाई. We'll have to wait for this breakdown and then we'll see one more trade on the downside, or it has to break this latest high, swing high, then we'll take one call option on the upside. Until then, this trade is on. This trade, I mean, this trade is done actually. We booked profits, right? So chhod do. We had some nice points, 86 to 90 points of target दिया मैं. Did anyone book this target, man? Did anyone book? Let me know, guys. टाइटन भी शॉर्ट करने के लिए सोच रहे क्या? Why all short today? You want short all of them today? No, no, not even Titan. Sorry, don't take anything. Even Titan isn't doing good now. So you have to wait either breakout or breakdown. If you want to take an entry, wait for this bottom swing to break. Take a short position below this. Until then, don't short Titan also. Okay, it's not looking good somehow. Yeah, ये चलेगा. Most probably, if it closes above this today, it can go up to this trend line also. So no shorting in Titan. Okay, don't short. चलो sorry, this is done. This is done. दूसरा trade for next trade, ఇంకో trade కోసం మనం వెయిట్ చేయాల్సిందే. We'll have to wait for the next trade. We'll have to wait for the next trade. Now it has become a consolidation, I guess. Friday यही होगा. So every Friday, if you observe, this is what it happens. Every Friday, this is what will happen. One sudden move देगा and then ऊपर और नीचे consolidation. Then it is a higher highs formation today in the after morning hours. Now it is consolidation again, right? Now नीचे मारा and then trying to consolidate, right? So consolidation चलेगा. उसके बाद ये तो ऊपर जाएगा और नीचे भी आ जाएगा. So this differs again. So this is what happens every Friday यही होगा. So for Friday it is most of the times straddles are the ones that work beautifully well. Straddles will work much better on Friday. Send this chat. Yeah. I checked it, but I'm still not. No, it is not about momentum. It is about how how there is a volume, etc. For example, look at this. There are two things that you have to observe. Let me give you an example of this at least. Okay, one example. Okay, one example is that when you look at the one thing that you want to look at is a head and shoulder pattern here, right? This is one. Okay, so this gives me a bullish view, right? This gives me a bullish view where I will, even if it is a head and shoulder pattern, I will not take an entry because it has to give me a price action here. Then I will take a call option or a swing trade on the upside and go about it. Okay, if it is a put side, as you said, you wanted to take a short position, right? So I will wait for a rejection here and break this nearby support. Once this is broken, then I will take an entry. So it is basically purely based on the price action. It is not based on any rocket science there. So I am actually looking for a momentum in the nearby time frames basically. Okay. Okay. This is still sideways, man. I'm still interested in on the put side only for now. I would still be interested on the put side until this is breaking out on the upside. चलो ये head and shoulder निकाल देता हूँ मैं. Look at it. So we'll take a next trade once at the breakout. the breakout or a breakdown here. Okay. So this is boring. Boring, I know. Boring. 17,100 के आसपास. Those who have taken, trail your stop losses to this. But our first target is done. This target, yellow line wala, this target is done actually. Okay. But those who are still holding or those who want to take, they can take with a small SL here. This is going to be your SL. Sorry, here. Come on. This is going to be your SL. Okay. If someone wants to take it, you can still take it on the put side, but this is going to be a stop loss because of the trend line that I am looking at. Okay. That is going to be your stop loss on the upside. If that stop loss hits, whoever is holding, please book and exit. Okay. Book your loss and exit. But otherwise, Bank Nifty is on the bearish side, Nifty is on the bullish side. देखते हैं क्या करेगा अभी. Okay. एक ऑटो सेक्टर भी देखता हूँ. Yesterday auto sector was completely bearish. So how is auto sector doing today? I think it has been rejecting since February. I think it hasn't broken the zone for a long time. When was it? It's in 2018, guys. My goodness. For very long time it has been a resistance for a very long time. So hopefully keep Maruti in your watch list, guys. Keep Maruti in your watch list. Above this, once it breaks, once this trend line is broken, you can't even stop Maruti. I'm telling you, you can't even stop Maruti until 19,900. Bada target dikh raha. But yeah, above this, if there is a price action, you can hold Maruti for a long time. Okay. But on the downside, let it break this zone 83.64. Probably you might get some short positions for a long time. ठीक है, मिलने का चांसेस तो है. So intraday के लिए in Maruti, wait for this trend line and go with this target here. Okay. Right. Please do like and subscribe. Shadows. I'm still on the bearish side. As I said, I'm still on the bearish side. I'm still on the bearish side. क्या हुआ Dr. Reddy's? I'm still looking at Dr. Reddy's. Let's see. Okay, activate. Okay, from there it did not activate, right? Okay. Okay. That should be fine. Let us see. Let us see what it will do today. Okay. Please do like and subscribe, guys. Please do like and subscribe. 386 target done. Done. Okay. Now look at this, guys. I'll tell you something. This is a 3-touch pattern. You see this? This is a 3-touch pattern. Okay. So remember, if it is taking a reversal, go with this target. Okay. Remember to take a reversal trade if it takes a rejection. See, 1, 2, 3, right? So if it is taking a rejection only, take an entry, go with this target here. Okay. Call side. Okay. So let me open it in 1 minute time frame. Retest नहीं दिया भाई, but that's okay. ये try कर लो भाई. If you guys want, एक छोटा scalping trade try कर सकते हैं आप. Keep a stop loss, very small stop loss, 35 to 40 points of stop loss. Take an entry here only. Okay. But this has to be a slanting target. This has to be a slanting target basically. Okay. Something like this. Something like this. But though it is not giving us an entry on the upper side. No. Okay. Avoid now. Avoid. Don't take an entry now. So only remember again, if it is always taking a rejection all the time, take an entry at the rejection, and then it should be a very good opportunity for you to take an entry on the call side, for the trending line. Okay, but it has not taken a rejection, so, and trying to have a fall, so we are not taking an entry there. Okay. Okay, super. Wow. Look at this is the one more price action. Always remember, you should always wait for a price action something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is going to be your target if it breaks this yellow line. So always wait for these rejections. Retest तो चाहिए मुझे. So whenever you are taking a trade, आप personally लेना है तो भी wait for this retest. इसका नीचे you take a fresh entry from here, and your stop loss will be here. Target will be 1:1. Probably look for the the amount of points that it is collecting, 33 points, right? So probably what you do, keep a target of 33 points here, probably here. So मैं थोड़ा नीचे कर देता हूँ इसको. Correct, something like this. So you take an entry below this yellow line, and stop loss will be here and target will be here. So this is how you should play with your price actions. This is how we should be playing. Levels are very important. That is why. So sometimes what we think is, okay, इधर आने के बाद हम सोचते कि ये तो गिरेगा बोल के early entry लेते. So but most of the times there are also opportunities for it to take a bounce back. So that is going to be an issue. So let's not make that mistake. ठीक है. ये तो एक्टिविटी नहीं हो रहा भाई. Okay, even if it is taking another touch here, I will be interested. This will be a three touch pattern, or at least this will also be a three touch pattern. Once it touches this trend line, I will take a call option on the rejection candle. Okay, directly. But if it is giving us a breakdown, and then I would not be interested. Okay. Please do like and subscribe. One more retest चाहिए मुझे. थोड़ा ऐड करेंगे भाई. Some more time. और थोड़ा गिरने का 2 hours. 2 o'clock. It is 1.5 hours left. Okay. थोड़ा नीचे आ जाओ my dear. If it is sustaining a lot of time here, probably we'll take a call above this. Above this, somewhere here, we'll take it. But we'll wait for that level to come. ठीक है. आ जाओ my dear. I want some profits here, please. मुझे तो चाहिए profits. Okay. So if it is breaking this, guys, we'll take an entry here again. ये थोड़ा risky होगा, but Friday का मामला है भाई. Friday it is going to be sideways, so we are taking a little risky trade here. Okay, let's take only very small stop loss. Okay, let's take very small stop loss here, right? With a target at today's low or here. 100 points of target इसका नीचे. Okay, 100 points of target below this, but looks like it is trying to work the 3-touch pattern here. It is trying to work 3-touch pattern शायद. But let's not take a decision immediately. Wait करेंगे. Let's wait and take an entry based on the levels. Okay, based on the levels only we'll take an entry. Okay, छोटा stop loss, very small stop loss, guys. I think I'll have to increase the stop loss now. Okay, छोटा stop loss के साथ जा सकते हो. It's 68 points of stop loss, 105 points of target. 105 points target, 68 points of SL, guys. Remember. Okay. Please do like and subscribe. Only below this. Only below this. At least 1 minute candle to close करना है भाई. It is not closing at all. How many are interested in taking this trade? बनेगा शायद. I've been telling you guys, मैं टेलीग्राम में भी बताया कि I am going to hold 37,600 put hold करने के लिए बोला मैं. I told you guys. I don't know how many are interested in, how many have taken that. Okay, 37,600 ले लो बोल के बोला मैं. वो इधर ही बोला. If you remember guys, I told you guys to take a 37,600 put option. इधर ही बोला मैं आपको. Right? $352. It's not closing. When to enter, Daredevil? Okay, so you can enter once at least 1 minute candle closes below, properly closes. I mean, this is not a proper closure. I mean, it has immediately gone up, but once it closes below this zone and below that closure of the candle, you take an entry. Okay, below the closure of that candle, you can take an entry. Okay. Now rejection there also 37,350 say. You have to wait for the candle closure. Wait for the candle closure. Iska after closing we'll take an entry. Okay. What is this man? Come on. At least give me one more trade. We were in very good profits, right? Since morning I gave you very good trades. We were in very good profits, but ये भी चलेगा even if we are not getting an entry, वो भी चलेगा. And paid group guys already booked in the morning itself. Morning ही book किया. चलो ये भी चलेगा. Okay, those who are holding Nifty अभी book कर लो भाई. मैं तो see this SL was also not hit. I gave you the entry. This SL I decreased the SL moreover. SL तो नीचे कर दिया, उसके बाद भी आपको टारगेट मिल रहा है. सो अभी ट्रेल कर लो. दिस येलो लाइन इज गोइंग टू बी योर ट्रेलिंग प्रॉफिट. ओके, trail your profits to this yellow line at least. Okay, trail your profits here. Please do like and subscribe. Consolidation. No, activate नहीं हो रहा भाई. It is not activating भाई. Too bad, too worst. इसको बोलते too bad, too worst बोलते. ये भी निकाल देंगे. Let's look at higher targets now. Okay, so this is not activated, leave it. Okay, हम एक ट्रायंगल में जाएंगे अभी. ठीक है, boring man. Friday is always boring. Every Friday, most of the Fridays are boring. Most of the Fridays. Chalo, fresh entry on the call side will only be above this trend line. Wait for this trend line to break. We'll take an entry there. Okay. Until then, no entry here. एटलीस्ट कम से कम ये जोन तो ब्रेक करना है, राइट? सो लेट्स सी दिस। इसे थोड़ा कम कर देता हूँ। ओके, so at least let's have this broken on the upside. We'll take a trade. Okay. Not happening, not happening, guys. थोड़ा section चाहिए मुझे. Okay. Nifty also. Nifty also same. We'll wait for the breakout and then take an entry. No entry here. Okay. Any BTST trade we'll see. We'll see it in the evening. Somewhere around 3:15, 3:20 के आसपास देखेंगे. We'll check it around 3:30, 3:20 or so. BTST कब क्या बनेगा बोल के. This is still sideways, guys. Sideways चल रहा है. Option selling is doing good. Option selling में straddles are doing good. I don't see huge decay, but yes, there is a very less decay, but we are getting some points. Straddles में दिख रहा मुझे. BTST के लिए वेट करना है भाई. ये कुछ बनेगा क्या देखता हूँ. एक छोटा स्कैल्पिंग ट्राई कर सकते हैं हम. स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड ट्राई करते क्या? स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड ट्राई कर सकते हो आप, चाहिए तो, इफ समवन वांट्स. ये तो scalping trade with a risk. 25 points of risk, 48 points of target. Scalping trade. Scalping trade कर सकते हो आप. ठीक है. Keep the risk at hand. 25 points of risk तो है. For 50 points of target. 1:2 target. 1:2 target. Scalping trade. This is a scalping trade, guys. Okay. How is HDFC Life? SBI Life तो ऊपर गया. HDFC Life कैसे चल रहा? वाह वाह, ऊपर जा रहा भाई. SBI Life तो भी ऊपर जाएगा, राइट? वो भी ऊपर जाएगा. Okay, so those guys who are holding SBI Life Insurance for a short position, if someone has already taken, if someone has taken, I would normally wait for this breakout, but yeah, if someone has already taken, keep a strict stop loss at 1296. Keep a strict stop loss at 1296 and then exit. Okay. स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड है भाई, स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड. छोटा 50 पॉइंट्स का. 50 पॉइंट्स का टारगेट. Still waiting. Let's see. SBI Life तो जा रहा भाई ऊपर. Even Balrampur Chini is doing good. Another Nifty. Nifty. Today's target will be today's high. If it goes up. Okay. If it goes up, the target will be here. 17,141. Okay. No. Oh, okay. You want to enter Bank Nifty? Yes, you can take an entry here. Yes. You can take an entry if you want, but the stop loss is here. 25 points of stop loss to diya. And moreover, I told you it's a scalping trade. So whoever is taking multiple trades, you can take an entry. See, you take an entry here, book some profits, comes down, take an entry, book some profits, comes down, take an entry, book. If it comes down and hits your stop loss, exit. Done. That's how it is going to be. Any number of points you can book and exit. Book and exit. It's a scalping trade. Friday may you don't get lot of trades, man. Friday it is sideways, so you don't get to have lot of trades to book profits. Very small profits. Okay, let's see. What is this mean? Only scalping guys. Again, remember, do not take the risk of holding it for long time. Your premiums will get melted and you will be in losses. So be careful. Be careful. Mm-hmm. And moreover, on the call side in Nifty, once it gives us a breakout here, we'll take an entry around this zone. Okay, go with today's high target. Okay, today's high target. This is boring again. Back to boring zone. Can we hold CE for Monday? No. Arif, no bhai. Mat hold karna pai. You can see those who want to take something for Monday, you can try something with a hedge, or maybe long straddle try kar sakte, or I know buying side long straddle, or you can try option selling. Okay, you can try any of them, but don't try any naked positions for Monday. Naked positions are risky. Always risky. Naked positions are always risky. Remember, holding for next day. See, kabhi aapko, if it goes in your favor, then you are in good profit. But if it is not, जाएगा आपका पूरा capital बर्बाद हो जाएगा. So please be careful. Anywhere, please do like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Hope you guys are maintaining this SL. Keep maintaining the SL, guys. See, here in SBI Life, and target can be long. Target can be long. Once it gives us a breakout, it's going to be a huge breakdown. I am having a loss of 22k in a call side. Oh, so thinking of holding it for Monday as the overall market view is bullish. How can you be in loss of 22k? I mean, unless you have taken more number of lots, that's a different story altogether. But what if it opens a gap down on Monday? What if it opens a gap down on Monday? Pura, your entire capital will be washed out. So it's risky, right? But one thing is that you should remember, if you are ready for the stop losses only, then you should take an entry. If you are ready for that 22,000 of loss, you can still hold. Otherwise, no point in holding it. SBI में कौन सा put है? SBI क्यों? No, I did not give you an entry for this is for those who are holding. Someone asked me whether they can hold this trade bull ke. So those who are holding, they can keep the stop loss at 1300 bull ke बोल रहा मैं. So if you want to take, you can take, but the stop loss is at 1300. क्योंकि मुझे HDFC Life थोड़ा bullish दिख रहा. Okay, this is looking bullish to me. Some insurance companies, look at this, it is looking super bullish. So I'm kind of insurance sector mein or health, SBI Life Insurance and HDFC Life Insurance are like hand in hand most of the times. So it is not suggested that you hold them. So probably if it is shooting up, you might be in loss also. So please be careful. That is what I wanted to say. SBI Life Insurance. Okay. Or SBI or HDFC Life. HDFC Life is looking bullish to me already. HDFC Life mein I have taken a which call I have taken. What is your overall market? Batata. I'll tell you. HDFC Life I have taken a 560 call लिया मैं. HDFC Life 560 call लिया मैं इसमें. HDFC Life, it is looking good, so इसीलिए मैं लिया. But other sectors are not looking good. Okay, overall market I'll tell you guys. Wait, see, on a weekly basis, if you actually look at on a daily time frame, there are two ways that you can look at. See, look at the trend line that I have drawn in the morning itself during the same time where we are looking at. So look at this. Normally there are two ways of looking at this. Okay, one, see, sorry, wow. So if you look at it, the last part of it is making a W pattern, right? This is making a W pattern. If you look at, right now, as per the price action, what should basically happen is that now it has gone up, right? It has opened a huge gap up. It is coming down. Now the fresh entry will be only about today's high. So if it is taking a retest, we can take an entry here, and this will be a beautiful retest. I'm telling you, it is if Monday if it opens a gap up and goes above today's high, I'm telling you the next target will be around 38,798, somewhere around 38,800 ke aaspas. That is going to be the next stop for Bank Nifty if it gives you this particular pattern. But हो सकता है कि what can happen? This can be a trend line rejection also. This can be a trend line rejection also sometimes. Okay, so if it is a trend line rejection, then you may not have any bullish sign at all. So what will logically happen here? What might happen is that this is coming down, may go up, okay, and then नीचे आने का भी chances है. So these are the two ways of looking at it. This, if it opening a gap up tomorrow or Monday and giving you some kind of retest, done. It's going to be a beautiful one. So if Monday if it opens a gap up and trades above this today's high, we are going to turn bullish, and we can take a monthly call options for this target. Monthly call options for 3807, somewhere around 800 points ka target de raha hu. So remember. So that's how it is going to be. Okay. But there is no bad news. Why bad news? You don't need to have a bad news. For a market falling, it can be profit booking, FII selling. There are a lot of other factors. And inflation bhi hai. There is a recession that's expected in December. There can be fear. So it is not about bad news. People want to be content with what they have. Okay. So imagine if I buy something, for example, if I buy a Bank Nifty here, for example, it has reached here. So I am fine. I just don't want to hold it. I am fine with these profits. What I would do, I would start selling off my positions. Basically, I am unwinding my positions. So what will eventually happen? Eventually, it will only be going down, right? So, but those who want to hold it, they can hold it and the market goes up. So it is not necessary that it should be negative news for you to be bearish and positive news to be there. Whenever the market opens on a flat note, I told you, I think last week also, last week or this week at least, sometime I was telling you guys that the most highest rallies take place in market only when the market opens a flat, not gap up or gap down. The most huge rallies take place only when the market opens a flat. So there is no need to be a gap up or a gap down. So enough that we have enough reasons for to sell and buy, then the market will move. It can be anything. Okay. Right. See what now? See today it has fallen, right? What is the reason? There was no bad news at all. Completely no bad news. I'm not saying worthy. See, this can be your own call, because Monday we do not know what happens. We have 2 more days. If there is a bad news, it can completely fall down. If there is a good news, it can go up. If there is no news at all, it can go up or consolidate. So I am saying, why do you want to take a risk? I'm not saying you want to hold it or not. If you think you can take that risk, you can hold. Okay. If you don't want to take risk, I would say avoid. Why do you want to take that risk? Imagine now you have a call option. What if it goes up? Then you would be in very good profit. But if it comes down, your capital is gone. If you are ready for this loss, then hold it. If you are ready for this loss, you hold it, thinking that it might go up. But what we can tell you at this time is that, okay, this is the resistance zone, this is a support zone, and whatever you see between is a consolidation zone. बोल के बोलता हूँ. That is what we can tell you, right? But at the end of the day, it is your sole decision to hold it or exit. Because if it opens high, you are good, very happy. If it goes down, your capital is gone. So that is where you need to take a proper decision of holding it or not. Okay, most of the times I don't normally suggest naked options for buying during weekends. Friday hold करने के लिए, so I would normally don't suggest. I normally don't suggest holding naked buying positions at all. Okay, normally I don't suggest. So BTST भी नहीं लेता हूँ नाम. Can you analyze 37,600 for me according to option chain? Okay, 37,600 call बोल रहे हैं आप, right? So sure, that should be fine. 37,600 call. Okay. So as per the data now, volume is good on the call side, and open interest is also high on the call side. Okay, and volume is also high on the call side only. So basically it is looking bearish. 37,600 is looking bearish. It is not looking bullish today, at least today. So Monday it can be different. Monday people can start buying 37,600, but that's a different case. अभी तो ये पूरा नीचे जा रहा. अभी तो based on the data that I see, call rating is huge at 37,600 call. So basically that's a negative sign. Okay. Right. Last 30 minutes, guys. Last 30 minutes. Probably I would be interested in taking a put. Once it breaks, we'll take a put option. I know last 30 minutes में अरे gap है भाई. Come on guys. एक put लेंगे जल्दी put लेंगे भाई. एक gap fill करेगा. Gap तो fill करेगा. जरूर fill करेगा. Those who want to take a gap filling trade, you can take it. Here, this is a gap that can be filled. Gap तो fill करने के लिए आएगा भाई. Those who want to take a gap filling trade, take it, guys. Gap filling trade, dono gap. My goodness. 1 second, guys. I'm gonna scalp it once. Let me see. I'm gonna take a scalping trade. Array. Come on. Scalping trade is possible. Scalping trade is possible on the put side. 26k loss. My goodness. 26 is huge, man. Huge. This is a gap filling trade that I am talking about. You can try gap filling trade. There is a gap ending at the bottom. Yeah, this is another gap. So look at this. This is another gap. हो सकता है कि this can also be filled. छोटा gap है वो. Come on, my dear. Come on. Give me some good trade. Last half an hour, में one trade. I want one more trade. New entry, no new entry. Sorry. I'm not telling you new entry, but those who want, I don't know if you have joined our live sessions earlier. Those who know, they know what to do for the gap filling trade. Wait for one retest. See, I'll tell you what to do in a gap filling. So somewhere there will be some retest. Okay, 1 minute candle. Okay, if it is taking a rejection, we take an entry around that zone and go with this target. This is going to be a target. Okay. So wait for one rejection from top. Okay, तो rejection ले रहा शायद. Wait for it. So क्या होगा इसका नीचे? Below this, you can take an entry. छोटा trade होगा. Somewhere around how many points of target? 35 points of target. That's it. The stop loss will be here. So as long as it goes, we will increasing the entry. So abhi kahan? The entry will be somewhere here maybe. Let's see. The stop loss is here for now. Okay. Okay, the entry should be here now. I'm increasing the entry point, but the target is same. Look at this. Increasing the entry point, but the target is same. Last half an hour. जाने दो. We are not taking a call there. When it is going up, it should be a quick trade, but we are not taking it because we did not get an entry at all completely. ये तो stop loss होगा, and this is going to be your entry again now. See, look at this. I am increasing the target. Target increase हो रहा अभी, right? Stop loss. चलो. Stop loss होगा ये वाला अभी, right? ये ट्रेंड लाइन के साथ जाना है भाई. Trend line is here. So this normally goes with a small SL. Small SL के साथ somewhere around 22 points or 20 points, 15 points में चलेगा. Right? This is how the scalping trade is going to be. Okay. This is how the scalping trade is going to be. So 20 30 points का target, sorry, stop loss and बड़ा target मिलेगा इसमें, right? Okay, this is the trend line, so let's wait for it to touch. Okay, touch हुआ. अभी when it comes down you take an entry. When it comes down you take an entry now. Sorry, ये होगा stop loss. The entry can be increased. Wow, what a move, man. No entry नहीं मिला भाई, entry नहीं मिला. We did not get an entry yet. We did not get an entry. Okay, no entry. I'm still increasing. देख लो भाई, look at this. I'm still increasing. 76 points of target. क्या हो रहा भाई? ओके, वो तो इंक्रीज करना है क्या? एंट्री अभी भी इंक्रीज कर रहा हूँ मैं. 89 points of target. Stop loss is here. Okay. रीटेस्ट चाहिए मुझे. Oh wow. Look at this HDFC Life, man. Hitting the highs. कॉल ही लेना चाहिए था. No, कैसे भाई? See, you can't get an entry, right? When it is shooting up, Samir भाई, when it is shooting up like this, कहाँ से एंट्री लेते आप? कहाँ से एंट्री लेते? आप लिया है क्या? आप बोलो, आप लिया है क्या? You did not take an entry, right? So that's how you don't get time to take an entry at all. टाइम भी नहीं मिलेगा एंट्री लेने का. आप क्या बोलते हैं इसमें, लिमिट ऑर्डर डालते हैं एंड देन इट गोस अप. इट डज नॉट गिव यू एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू टेक एन एंट्री एट ऑल. नहीं देगा वो. Come. Tom. So entry will be little low. It hasn't closed here. Little low here. Come on, man. Fill these gaps, please. ये gaps तो fill कर लो, please. अभी कंसोलिडेशन जोन पे गया भाई. But those who want to take an entry, guys, remember, you can take an entry here, keep a small stop loss, 25 points of stop loss, and go with this target. Okay, 25 points of stop loss. I don't know, it can give us an entry or not. Entry भी नहीं दे रहा मुझे. Again consolidating में. I'm waiting for that. Last 25 minutes, I'm still waiting. थोड़ा entry के लिए wait कर रहा हूँ मैं. I want that entry. नहीं दे रहा भाई. लास्ट मोमेंट कब देगा. दे दो मुझे, दे दो प्लीज, दे दो प्लीज. निफ्टी ब्रेक कर दिया. मैं क्या बोला भाई, रिमेंबर गाइस, अबाउ दिस वी कैन एक्चुअली ट्रेड विद द टुडेज हाई बोल के. ब्रेक कर दिया देखो, टुडेज हाई ब्रेक कर दिया वो. एंड दिस इज द टुडेज टारगेट 140 कुछ, 17,140 कुछ टारगेट था. सो ये तो हो गया. दैट वाज अ शॉर्ट कवरिंग, कुछ भी नहीं है. इट वाज अ शॉर्ट कवरिंग. समटाइम्स इट कम्स अराउंड 130, 230, 3 o'clock, 2:45, कभी भी आ सकता है वो. देना का मूड में नहीं लग रहा है. हाँ हाँ, या तो है भाई, नहीं देगा शायद. नो 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 नो, पता नहीं. लास्ट 20 मिनट्स में इतना नीचे आने का थोड़ा मुश्किल है, बट चांसेस देर आर, पॉसिबिलिटीज तो है. बट एटलीस्ट स्कैल्पिंग के लिए देख रहा हूँ मैं. स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड तो मिलना चाहिए मुझे इसका नीचे. जस्ट लुकिंग फॉर वन स्कैल्पिंग ट्रेड एटलीस्ट. Come on, my dear. Give me one trade. One trade. You know, it causes lots and lots of irritation, man. When you see Nifty moving like this, Nifty or Bank Nifty, so AC, if you see multiple times doing this, it irritates you. You can't take a trade and you can't even exit. That's irritating. I don't think it will give us an entry. Even if it gives an entry now, अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, क्योंकि it is going to be closing of the market. I don't think it will be good time to take an entry. नहीं दिख रहा मुझे. I'm not looking good here. नॉट गिविंग अस एन एंट्री, सॉरीज। ये तो बैंक निफ्टी बोल रहा है सॉरी मुझे नहीं दे, मैं नहीं देता हूँ बोल के। अरे ये तो इफ इट इज समवेयर अराउंड 1 o'clock, इफ इट इज समवेयर अराउंड 1:30 है तो मैं ज़रूर लेता हूँ इधर से, पुट लेता हूँ। बट अभी तो क्लोजिंग होने वाला है, रिस्की होगा अभी। मोर ओवर देयर विल बी अ डीके, सो रिस्क क्यों लेना अभी। कम ऑन माय डियर, डू समथिंग। भाई फायदा नहीं है भाई, चलो फायदा नहीं है। Wow, what a move, man! It is. It is touching this trend line. Superb move, superb move. My goodness, that's a superb move, superb one. So Monday side risky traders can take a call, risky वालों के लिए। मैं तो I would normally on weekends में BTST नहीं लेता हूँ भाई। I wouldn't take normally I wouldn't take BTST for Saturday Sunday. I just wanted to have some peace, man. So if someone wants to take some risk, call side बैठ सकते हो, but others safe traders avoid taking call side. Okay, avoid taking this trade. नहीं, डे हाई तो नहीं तोड़ेगा. 15 minutes है. 15 minutes में somewhere around 200 points. I mean, yeah, we have seen 200 points breaking, but अभी तो इतना वॉल्यूम नहीं दिख रहा मुझे. What if this comes down to fill the gap, man? Imagine that. Imagine if this candle comes down to fill the gap in 15 minutes. पूरे put option writers will actually be afraid of anything now. What if it comes down here completely? How many points it is? 150 points ka. Chalo. That will be a beautiful move on the downside. But it hasn't broken this level properly since morning, guys. Since morning it hasn't broken. Somewhere around 10 o'clock से ये तो break नहीं हुआ properly. It has come up here, but it hasn't broken this properly. It hasn't sustained above this. Okay. So I would say, BTST तो avoid कर लो भाई आज. आज तो avoid कर लो please. कुछ भी मत लेंगे हम. It is looking risky at least. Okay. देखेंगे कुछ होता क्या. निफ्टी ब्रेक स्टेज है वो तो ब्रेक कर दिया भाई. मैजिक हो हो सकता है मैजिक ज्यादा मैजिक्स दिखा हम. That's okay. That's okay. I am not interested taking in Nifty also. Nifty maybe I am not interested. मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा भाई. No. Because I'll tell you why. Because and where is this? I go into weekly time frame. Okay. ये check कर लो भाई. So even in Nifty, I am kind of concerned because there are two scenarios that I was talking about earlier. मैं तो पहले ही बोला. See, it can go up. Okay, it can go up and take a bounce, or from here itself it can take a reversal. So this is the reason I don't want to take any chances here, Carl. Monday there will be a decay, so I don't want to take that chance. Okay. It depends. क्यों रिस्क लेना है भाई. ओके. रिस्क तो क्यों लेना है आप. Last 10 minutes. last 10 minutes. स्टॉक BTST स्टॉक्स में मुझे HDFC लाइफ इज लुकिंग गुड गाइस. स्टॉक्स में HDFC लाइफ इज लुकिंग गुड टू मी. ओके, if someone wants to try 566 is going to be my target. 566 is my target in HDFC life. Okay, if someone wants a BTST on that, you can try. Okay. My goodness. See, look at this. It isn't sustaining above this zone at all. I've been checking. This is not sustaining above this level. 500 level. 37 500 level. It is not sustaining at all properly. Most of the times. Last 7 minutes. ओके, एक्सिस बैंक फॉर STBT सेल साइड दिख रहा है क्या आपको? एक्सिस बैंक, no, don't try. It is at the support. I know it is at the support, but we need to have some confirmation. We'll have a confirmation below this, then we'll have a short side. So you will only be stuck in case if it opens a gap up to on Monday. If it opens a gap up, you will be in trouble. So you'll have to wait for this breakdown, then take an entry on the short side. Don't try now. Okay, Axis Bank छोड़ दो. But I would say on a positional basis, Axis Bank. Look at this. See, Axis Bank mein you can actually take a long position. Probably you can buy futures for look at this. You can buy futures for September. Okay, it was trying to break here, but it did not sustain. So probably you can try futures for September. Sorry, August. Okay, August ke liye you can try futures, but not options. Don't try options now. With a smaller stop loss, very small stop loss. Probably 703 will be a stop loss on a positional basis. Okay. Closing around 37,500. Okay. It has closed above this. चलो I think last minute guys. Last minute closing देता हूँ मैं. Okay, chalo, I don't think anyone is online here now. Okay. So thank you so much guys for joining. Let's see you on Monday. Okay, see you guys. Bye.